Our fabrication process here in the shop starts at the Vortman 631. It's an all-in-one drilling and milling machine. Materials loaded on the transfers, pushed up to the blocks, and pushed into the doghouse. The operator then selects the drawing for the appropriate material. The machine then knows which bit it needs, comes and automatically grabs the correct bit, comes down and does its process. If it's drilling, it'll drill a hole in under 2 seconds, whereas a standard process with a mag drill might take 2 to 3 minutes. It'll then change the bit out, put in its diamond bit, and etch the part number from there. It'll push the material forward so that it can go to the next phase in the process. Our second phase in our beam process, the Vortman 1050 saw in conjunction with the drill. The material comes out of the doghouse. The machine automatically pushes it out onto the transfers. The transfers then move material up to the saw. The operator at the saw is looking for indication marks from the drill line. He's verifying the part number, and then he's going to cut material to size. After that, the drop is pushed forward on the transfer, and then the good material is also pushed forward on the transfer so that it can move to its next process. Material that comes off the saw moves out to these transfers here. It is staged to move on to the next piece, which is the 807. From here, you can see the differences of what the different machines do. The drill comes down, puts indication marks for the saw. The saw makes those nice, clean, straight cuts. And then anything that needs a miter cut or an angle cut will be moved over here onto the 807, which is a 7-axis plasma head. Material moves in from the machine, from the transfers, and then the operator gets it in here. This machine is capable of doing those more complex miters, different cuts, as you can see here. Material moves out and moves on to a third set of transfers. From here, the crane operator loads material and stages it for fabrication. All the different equipment is run with a light curtain. Anybody that crosses these lines, the material stops automatically. If I was to cross here, it's going to shut it down, lights are going to change, the operator knows that somebody is in the working area and it won't function any further. Boom, the machine stops, and now anything over here, another example, the 7-axis plasma head on the 807 makes those complex notches. The 807 is actually capable of doing all of the processes in front of it, but the difference is the cleaning. Here we see a type of hole that we had to actually use the 807 to put in it. We already saw those complex cuts, but the 3 different pieces in conjunction allow basically versatile backup. If one of them goes out, the 807 is capable of jumping in and completing all the processes. It's just not as clean, and we have to clean it up.